Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect your Epson projector to the Wi-Fi, and this is the official manual. First, you tap on the settings icon on your iOS device's home screen, and then come here and tap on the Wi-Fi icon here to open the Wi-Fi networks menu. And then all you need to do is tap on your projector's SSID in the list of available wireless networks, okay, just like you would see for any other Wi-Fi network. And then you return to your iOS device's home screen and you open the eye projection app by tapping on this eye projection icon, okay? And then come here at the top right, click on projector to open the select projector menu, okay? And then you just tap the name of your projector in the list of available projectors, and then you just tap OK when you're prompted to confirm the connection to the projector. And then your iOS device and your Epson projector are now connected. Of course, you can do the same process for an Android device as well, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.